So I want to solve this inequality. Okay, so the inequality like this. And again, it's just like solving the absolute equation. We need the inequality, the absolute by itself first. So I will kind of adding 9 on both sides. So isolate the absolute first. So adding 9 both sides, and we will have negative 3x plus 6. Absolute of that greater than 24. And because this is a greater. So we're gonna set up 2 inequality. Okay, there will be 2 inequality, and one is gonna be negative 3x plus 6 greater than 24, or negative 3x plus 6 less than negative 24. Okay, the first one gonna be exactly the same inequality. The second one, because you apply the negative, so you switch the sign. Okay, make sure the sign on the second one is switches. The sign on the second one is switches because that's a negative on 24. All right, and then we solve negative 3x, subtract 6 on both sides. We're gonna have negative 3x greater than 18, and then we divide both sides by negative 3. And remember, when you have an inequality and you divide a negative, you need to change the sign, the inequality sign. So I will have these become less than, and this is gonna be x and negative 6. Okay, and now we're gonna deal with the other one. Subtract 6 on both sides. I will have negative 3 less than negative 30, and then divide both sides by negative 3. I'm gonna have x less than 10. Oops, see, I forgot to change the inequality sign. Whenever I divide a negative, I need to change the inequality. Okay, so I have 2 different numbers here. So on my number line, I should have 2 different numbers. And the first one gonna be 6, negative 6. And make sure you put an open circle because there's no equal sign here. So I put an open circle at negative 6 and 10 on the other one, so 10. So I'm gonna check my result. I want everything that less than negative 6, so it means everything on this side. And this one, I want everything greater than 10, so I want everything on this side. And I'm gonna put that into the interval notation. So from negative infinity to negative 6, parenthesis, or 10 to infinity. That is my result.